Managing your money doesn't have to be scary. In fact, it can be quite empowering once you have a clear plan in place. The 50-30-20 rule is a simple yet effective tool to help you take control of your finances. It's designed to make budgeting straightforward and stress-free. Think of it as a recipe for your money. Just like following a recipe ensures a delicious meal, following this rule ensures financial stability. This rule helps you understand exactly where your money should go each month, making it easier to manage your expenses and savings. It's all about finding a balance between what you need, what you want, and saving for your future. By categorizing your income, you can ensure that you're not overspending in any one area. This rule works by dividing your income after taxes into three main categories. These categories are needs, which are essential expenses, wants, which are non-essential but enjoyable expenses, and savings, which include both saving for the future and paying off debt. By using these percentages, you can make sure you're taking care of the important things first, like housing, utilities, and groceries. You can also enjoy your money without feeling guilty, knowing that your essential needs and future savings are already covered. This balance allows you to live a more fulfilling and stress-free life. Needs are the essentials in life. These are the things you simply cannot live without, the fundamental elements that keep your life running smoothly. These are things you absolutely need to live and function. They form the backbone of your daily existence, ensuring you can go about your day without major disruptions. Think about your rent or mortgage payment. This is a critical expense that ensures you have a safe and secure place to call home. You need a roof over your head. It's not just about shelter, but also about having a space where you can relax and feel comfortable. Utilities keep the lights on and the water running. These services are essential for maintaining a livable environment in your home. Groceries keep you fed and healthy. A balanced diet is crucial for your well-being, and having access to nutritious food is a fundamental need. Transportation costs like your car payment or bus fare are also needs. They enable you to get to work, school, and other important places. Don't forget about your basic healthcare costs. Regular checkups, medications, and treatments are vital for maintaining your health. These are all non-negotiable expenses. They are the foundation of your budget, ensuring you can live a stable and secure life. This 50% ensures you can cover these essential costs comfortably. By allocating half of your budget to these needs, you create a solid financial foundation. Wants are the fun stuff. These are things that make life more enjoyable but aren't absolutely necessary. Think about going out to eat with friends. That new pair of shoes you've been eyeing? That's a want too. Subscriptions to streaming services or that gym membership all fall under wants. These are expenses you have more control over. This category is about enjoying your money without overspending. Saving money and paying off debt is crucial for a secure future. It's not just about putting away a few dollars here and there, it's about creating a financial cushion that can support you in times of need and help you achieve your long-term goals. This 20% is your safety net and your ticket to financial freedom. By dedicating a portion of your income to savings and debt repayment, you are investing in your peace of mind and future stability. Start by building an emergency fund. This fund acts as a financial buffer, allowing you to handle unexpected expenses without derailing your financial plans. This fund helps you cover unexpected expenses like a medical bill or car repair. These unforeseen costs can arise at any time, and having an emergency fund ensures you're prepared. Next, focus on paying off any debts you may have, like credit card balances or student loans. Reducing your debt load not only improves your financial health but also frees up more money for savings and investments. Finally, contribute to your retirement savings. Whether it's through a 401k, IRA, or other retirement accounts, consistently adding to your retirement fund ensures you can enjoy your golden years without financial stress. This ensures you'll have financial security in your later years. A well-funded retirement plan allows you to live comfortably and pursue your passions without worrying about money. This category helps you build a solid financial foundation. By planning and prioritizing your financial future, you set yourself up for success and peace of mind, knowing that you are prepared for whatever life throws your way.